students, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do mensuration. Our learning objectives are perimeter of the polygon and area. We have already learned with the polygon triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, etc. are all polygons. In this chapter, we should deal with the measurement of the polygons like rectangle, square and triangle. Polygons can be measured in various ways. Here we shall discuss the two important measure, perimeter and area of polygon. So यहाँ पे हम how to measure the perimeter and area of polygon, that will learn here. So first is perimeter of polygons. Sum of the length of the all side of the plane figure, that is called the perimeter of the figure. The unit of perimeter of the figure is same as the unit of side. जो भी side की unit होगी, that is the unit of perimeter. So first is perimeter of rectangle. Let us consider a rectangle PQRS whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 8 cm respectively. The opposite sides of the rectangle are equal as we know. So PQ equals to RS. अगर PQ 12 cm है तो RS क्या हो जाएगी 12 cm. PS equals to QR, so both will be 8 cm. So perimeter of a rectangle, sum of all sides. PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So क्या हो जाएगा 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 कॉमन लेंगे 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle PQRS हो जाएगा 2 into 12 plus 8, 2 into 20, that is 40 centimeter. So formula हो जाएगा perimeter का 2 into length plus breadth. That is the perimeter of rectangle. Next is perimeter of square. Square is a rectangle whose length and breadths are equal. Square is called the regular shape because all its four sides and angles are equal. So perimeter of square हो जाएगा length plus length plus length plus length. All four sides equal होती है, means side plus side plus side plus side. So 4 into length of side, और side अगर हमें find out करनी है, that is perimeter of square upon 4. Next is perimeter of triangle. If the length of the side of triangle are A, B and C unit, then the perimeter will be side plus side plus side, यानी A plus B plus C. Next is perimeter of the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is called the regular shape because all its sides are equal. Equilateral triangle में all sides equal होती है and angles are also equal measures. So perimeter of equilateral triangle 3 into length of a side. Clear? Next is know it. The perimeter of any closed figure is the sum of the length of its boundary of the figure. Perimeter of square 4A, where A is the length of the side of square. Perimeter of rectangle 2L plus B, where L is length and B is breadth. Perimeter of triangle A plus B plus C unit, if the length of the side of the triangles are A, B and C units. Now we'll take an example. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 250 cm and 2 meter respectively. So here length is given, that is 250 cm and breadth is given, that is 2 meters. So first we'll convert into centimeters. So 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeter. Both units should be same. Now perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 250 plus 200, that 2 into 450, that is 900 centimeter, or we can say 9 meter. That is the perimeter of given rectangle. Next is know it. Perimeter of any regular polygon equals to n into side, where n is the number of side of the polygon. Next is exercise 12.1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figure. So here we have to find the perimeter of given figure. It's a pentagon. All sides are given, that is 7 cm equal है. Perimeter sum of all sides. So what we can do? 5 into sides, because pentagon है 5 sides है and all sides are equal. So 5 perimeter equals to जाएगा 5 into side, 5 into 7. That is 35 centimeter. That will be the perimeter of given pentagon. Clear? Next is area. The amount of the flat surface enclosed or occupied by the closed figure, that is called the area. Can you tell which one occupy more region or surface? Sometimes it is difficult to tell just by looking at the figure. So place them on the surface paper and the graph paper, where every square measure 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Make an outline of the figure, look at the square. Enclosed by the figures, some of them are completely enclosed, some are half and some are less than half and some are more than half. So area is the number of centimeters square that cover the figure, but the square do not always fit exactly into the area of some figure. Though we cannot get the exact value of area in such case, but we can fairly estimate the area by following the convention in the counting of square. If it is centimeter square sheet, the area of one full square is taken at 1 square unit. If exactly half of the square is counted, take the area as 1/2 square unit. जो half होंगे उसका 1/2 square unit. Ignore the portion of the area that are less than half. Less than half है उनको ignore कर देंगे. If more than half of the square is in the region, just count it as 1. अगर more than half है, we'll count it as 1. Next is unit of area. The standard unit of the length is meter. Smaller unit of length is centimeter. The amount of flat surface enclosed by the square, 1 meter in length and 1 meter in breadth, is the standard unit of area is called the meter square. Similarly, the smaller unit of the area, that is 1 centimeter square. So area को we always count in square unit. Now we'll take an example. By counting square, estimate the area of the following figure. So number of complete square, if we count, that are 11, and number of more than half of square enclosed, that is 7, and number of half enclosed square, that is 2. So estimated area क्या हो जाएगा 11, more than half है, we'll count it 1, 7 plus 2/2, because half का क्या हो जाएगा 1/2, so that is equals to 18 plus 1, 19 square unit. Clear? Next is exercise 12.2. Find the estimated area of the following figure by counting square. So number of square count करेंगे, 4 plus 4 8. So area equals to 8 square unit. Clear? Next is area of rectangle. To find the formula of area of rectangle, let us draw the rectangle square paper considering area of one square, that is equals to 1 centimeter square. The rectangle drawn in the given figure cover 13 square completely. So area of rectangle 30 into 1, that is square centimeter, 30 square centimeter. Here the length covers 6 square and breadth cover 5 square. It means 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that is 30 square centimeter. So length into breadth, so area of rectangle क्या हो जाएगा, length into breadth. Thus we can say the area of rectangle is the product of the length and breadth. So area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. Length equals to हो जाएगा area upon breadth and breadth equals to area upon length. Next is area of square. We can repeat the same experiment with the square. Square is also a rectangle whose length and breadth are equal. So the area of square, length into breadth, दोनों equal होती है, side into side, side square. Thus the area of square whose side is 3 centimeter. So 3 into 3 centimeter, that is 9 centimeters square. Common metric unit of measuring area are millimeter square, centimeter square, meter square and hectare. 1 hectare equals to 100 meter into 100 meter, that is 10,000 meters square. Know it. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of square, side into side. Cost of leveling or tiling, area into cost per unit square. Number of tile, area of floor upon area of tile. Now we'll take an example. The area of rectangle is 36 centimeter square and its length is 9 centimeter. What is the width of rectangle? So area of rectangle, length into breadth. So we have to find the width or the breadth. So breadth equals to जाएगा area upon length 36 upon 9, that is 4 centimeter. That will be the breadth of the given rectangle. So practice all the examples here. Exercise 12.3. Divide the following shape into rectangle and find the area of each. Measurement are given in centimeter. So first, so this is 1, 2 and 3. So figure 1 का area of figure 1, that is equals to 5 into 2, 10 square centimeter. Area of figure 2, that is equals to 2 into 1, 2 square centimeter. Area of figure 3, that is 3 into 3, 9 square centimeter. Total area हो जाएगा equals to 10 plus 2 plus 9, 21 square centimeter. That is the area of given figure. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. Perimeter can be defined as sum of the side of the closed figure. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square 4 into side. Area R is definite as the region enclosed by the plane closed figure. Area of rectangle length into breadth. Area of square side into side. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. What is the side of the square whose perimeter is 60 meter? So perimeter is given. Perimeter 60 meter is given. We have to find the side. Square है तो 60 divided by 4. 15 meter. So A is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.